Welcome to the OC Realtors MLS Quick Tip of the Month. Today's video will go over how an agent can use Glide and the CRMLS Matrix system to fill out the PEAD-V form. Glide is a free CRMLS and CAR member benefit that is typically used to send out requests to sellers to easily and quickly fill out disclosure documents such as the TDS and SPQ, or the Transfer Disclosure Statement and Seller Property Questionnaire. Just recently, due to the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, where a new document called the Coronavirus Property Entry Advisory, or PEAD-V, is required for every showing. Glide and CRMLS has made it possible for a showing agent in the MLS to use Glide to have the buyer quickly and easily sign electronically, and for Glide to email the listing agent the signed PEAD-V form. Let's show you how this is done. To utilize the Glide PEAD feature in the MLS, first make sure that you have created your Glide account and then merge it with your ZipForms account. Simply go to www.glide.com. Once you have your account and merged your account with ZipForms, you are now ready to use the Glide PEAD feature within the MLS system. Now, let's show you how to use this feature in the MLS. Go into the MLS and pull up the properties your clients would like to visit. Now go into one of the properties, and in the Agent Full Report, scroll down, and under the map icon, click Use PEAD in Glide during COVID-19. When you click on that button, Glide will now open up. Once Glide opens up, click on Sign PEAD. From here, scroll and click where it says Create a new buyer prospect. Add yourself as the buying agent, the agent showing the home. Now click Continue. Move your mouse and click where it says Add a buyer, or in this case, Add a visitor. The PEAD-V form is required for any visitor, whether they're buyer or inspector, to be done on the home. Very simply, when we click Add a buyer, simply choose Create New Contact if they're a new contact, and input the first name, last name, and the email address of the visitor. Now click Save. If there are other visitors to the property, simply choose Add a buyer, and now click Create New Contact to add the subsequent visitors. Once all visitors have been added, scroll down to the bottom right and click Continue. From here, we see the property that we had just clicked on in the MLS system. If we click on this choice, we'll notice that the property has the property address already pre-filled in, but there is a choice here under where it says listing agent that has been marked that says send an email to listing agent once PEAD is signed. What this indicates is that once the PEAD form has been signed by your visitors, an automatic email of the PEAD signed document is emailed to the listing agent within a matter of minutes. In this demo, we are not going to select the PEAD form being emailed to the listing agent at this time. Now I can click Save. If there are other properties my clients wish to visit, simply choose Add Property. Now simply type in the address of the properties that are going to be visited. And then again, type in the name of the listing agent. Then hit Save. You are not limited to the amount of properties you can visit in one day. Now simply scroll down and click Continue. Now you're going to review who is visiting the home or homes. In this case, we see that it's the showing agent and our clients. Now we simply scroll over and click continue. Scroll down, click continue. We'll notice here that because we have our Zip Forms account connected with our Bried account, the PEAD forms will automatically be uploaded into their own transaction for this visitor or visitors in our Zip Forms account. With the account already linked, simply click continue. Now Bried is generating the PDF forms for the PEADs. I'll scroll down and click Send for Signature. Bried automatically defaults us to DocuSign. So if you have a DocuSign account, you may link your DocuSign account with your Bried account. If you do not have DocuSign, that's okay. Because you have merged your Zip Forms account, simply choose the choice, I use digital ink. Once you've clicked on that, now you're going to be defaulted into Zip Forms. So now Zip Forms will open up. And we will now proceed through the digital signing process within Zip Forms for our PEAD documents. So now we're going to follow the simple, easy 3-step process for sending out the PEAD forms for the 2 properties on La Paz and Janino. It's important to note when we get to stage 3 of adding in the signatures, because these documents are PDF files being imported into our Zip Forms document, it is vital that we make sure that the signer's tasks are placed in on the form. Very easy in digital ink, simply select the signer. Now click drag and drop their signature tasks. Once all tasks have been assigned on every PEAD form, now scroll over to the top right corner and click send. When we click send, we now can send the invitation, and in less than 5 minutes, the signer now gets the documents to digitally sign. Once all documents have been digitally signed, an automatic email will go out to the listing agents of the signed PEADs for the prospective properties that you are visiting. Thank you for watching today's video on how an agent can use the Bried PEAD feature in the MLS. For more information or videos, please visit us at www.ocrealtors.org or feel free to give us a call at 949-586-6800. Have a great day.